Muharram is the first month of the Islamic calendar and is considered one of the holiest months for Muslims. It is a month of remembrance and mourning for the martyrdom of Imam Hussein, the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad, and his companions in the Battle of Karbala in the year 680 CC. The events of Karbala are central to the Shia branch of Islam, and during the month of Muharram, Shia Muslims engage in various rituals and commemorations to remember the suffering and sacrifice of Imam Hussein and his followers. These rituals may include mourning processions, recitations of elegies and poetry, and reenactments of the Battle of Karbala. Muharram is a solemn time for reflection and self-discipline for Muslims, both Shia and Sunni. It is common for Muslims to fast during the month, particularly on the No'at and Thus-at days, known as Ashura. Ashura marks the climax of the mourning period and is a day of deep sorrow and reverence for the martyrdom of Imam Hussein. It's important to note that Muharram holds different significance for different branches of Islam. While it is primarily associated with mourning among Shia Muslims, Sunni Muslims may also observe fasting and engage in voluntary acts of worship during this month, although the specific practices may vary.